Hi Neerja, firstly I want to tell you that the booth looks amazing and I can see people stopping by and taking a look. I would love to know more about this booth.
Hey, thank you for stopping by. Yes, this is the Green BTS, that is Green Bengaluru Tech Summit. This year, this is the third year that we are bringing up with this Green BTS edition. We're really happy to talk about green sustainability at a Bengaluru Tech Summit, essentially because we're trying to tell that tech is always combined with sustainability for sustainable development, and BTS is a testament for this concept of sustainable development. So at Green BTS today, it's very interesting that we are trying to do material conservation, we're doing water conservation, energy conservation, zero waste to landfill, trying to reduce carbon emissions, create awareness.
That's impressive. Also, I want to know that how these last 3 days went for you all.
It was crazy, seriously, like a lot of people all the time.
Okay.
I'm sure a lot of people will remember this stall.
I will remember the stall. I can see this and I don't think I can forget about this in my lifetime. It is really impressive.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So the whole agenda behind this
Okay.
is that we wanted sustainability to be remembered by everyone. We want people to remember sustainability always goes well with technology and innovation and development. So at BTS what we've done interesting is we've made sure we give awareness to everyone. When I say material conservation, we're also including our stakeholders.
Okay.
When we're talking material conservation, we're talking to our vendors, we are talking to our exhibitors, we're also talking to our delegates and the speakers. There is a sustainability advisory that has gone out before the event for everyone to be aligned about sustainable initiatives at the event.
Okay.
And something very special we're doing for all the visitors is we are having multiple activities.
Okay.
We have a bingo card where we are asking our visitors to identify sustainability initiatives.
Okay.
How many bins did you see? Did you see water
Ah,
stations?
Okay.
Did you see a red flag?
Yeah.
Right, all of this
Yes.
combined, and they come here and play a game, a sustainability activity, where they sort activities on sustainable or unsustainable. We're giving them gift hampers.
That's impressive. So it's, I guess it's a fun way that people can play games and also spread the initiative.
Yes.
Perfect.
And what we're trying to do is we're trying to gamify the whole process, and we're trying to give more awareness.
Awareness.
And you'll be surprised that we have reached out at least 12,000 people in the last 3 days.
12,000, that's a huge number. Okay. Any recent milestone that you want to share with us?
Yes. So we've achieved 37% of carbon emission reduction because of various initiatives, primarily because of the Namma Metro, which is leading right to BIEC. We're also able to quantify the waste that is recycled. 9,700 kgs of waste is recycled in this very own event.
Okay.
Yes. So as we speak, there is waste segregation happening
Right now?
right now.
Okay.
Yes, there is 100% waste segregation happening at the venue. We are making sure there is zero waste to landfill, and this has been a consistent target for BTS in the last 3 editions.
Okay.
And we are the only one in India who's doing this, and we are the largest tech summit in India.
That is really impressive. And this is the 4th year you were saying, or the third one? Third year. That is impressive. Okay. I know I'm repeating this quite a lot, but I really again want to tell you that the booth looks amazing, and even people right now are stopping by and seeing everything.
Yes. And you know what's even more interesting? I'll show you something.
Okay. Okay.
This space is entirely made of eco-conscious and reusable
The
materials.
whole space.
Yes, the whole
Okay.
space, yes. All of these plants that you see will go back to the nurseries,
Okay.
and all of these hoardings that you see are recyclable. The wood will go back to the execution team.
Okay. And I can also see, I guess, those reusable plates over there.
Yes,
That's very
and
creative.
the plates are made of bagasse.
Okay.
They're not paper plates, they're bagasse plates.
That's interesting.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your time. And it was pleasure meeting you.
And there's also something interesting.
Okay.
We are creating awareness amongst all the people, and how we're creating this awareness is by gamification.
Okay.
And here's something I'll give you.
Okay. What is this? I want to know more about this.
So this is the Green BTS hamper.
Okay.
For everybody who's filling up the bingo activity, this is a game. This is a gift hamper that we're giving. And this is also made of sustainable materials. Everything inside is sustainable.
Everything here is sustainable. I guess that should be the statement, that everything is sustainable over here.
Yes.
Amazing.
That's been the motto of Green BTS for the last 3 years, and we will plan to do that for the rest of their lives.
I hope to see you next year as well with the same motto.
Yes.
Great.
Hashtag Green BTS.
Hashtag Green BTS. Yes.
Hashtag Green BTS. Look forward to seeing you all in 2026.
Perfect. Thank you. Yeah.